In the ever-evolving world of search engine optimization, or SEO, staying ahead of the curve is essential. For any digital marketer, one of the most effective ways to ensure your strategies are successful is by leveraging A/B testing. Today, we'll explore how A/B testing can be used to validate SEO, hypotheses, helping you drive meaningful results. To begin, let's clarify what A/B testing is. Essentially, A/B testing involves comparing two versions of a web page or element to determine which performs better. It's a powerful technique used to test hypotheses by splitting traffic between a control group, version A, and an experimental group, version B. The goal? Identifying which version improves metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, or search. Rankings. Now let's connect A/B testing with SEO. Imagine you've hypothesized that instead of making this change across your entire site and risking potential negative impacts, A/B testing allows you to make the change to just a portion of your audience. By analyzing the results, you can confirm whether your hypothesis holds true before implementing site-wide changes. The process of setting up an A/B test for SEO begins with selecting a hypothesis. It might involve altering keywords, adjusting meta descriptions, or experimenting with different page layouts. Once you've identified your hypothesis, it's time to define your metrics. What are you hoping to achieve? Higher rankings, increased traffic, or improved user engagement? Having clear metrics ensures you're measuring what truly matters. With your hypothesis and metrics in place, you'll need to choose the right pages to test. Ideally, these should be pages that receive a steady amount of traffic, providing enough data. This step is crucial as it ensures the reliability of your test outcomes. Next, it's time to split your audience between the control group and the test group. Traffic should be distributed evenly to both versions to ensure an unbiased analysis. Throughout the testing period, it's essential to monitor performance. Tools like Google Analytics or specialized A/B testing platforms can help track changes in search engine rankings, organic traffic, and user behavior. An often overlooked aspect of A/B testing is accounting for external variables. Factors such as algorithm updates or seasonality can impact results. It's important to run tests for a sufficient duration, often several weeks, to account for these fluctuations and gather accurate data. As your test concludes, it's time to analyze the results. Did one version significantly outperform the other? If so, this provides strong evidence that your hypothesis is valid, and you can consider implementing the change across your site. Finally, let's remember that not all tests will yield positive results, and that's perfectly okay. Each test presents an opportunity to learn, refine your strategies, and experiment further. The insights gained can inform future SEO tactics, ensuring continual improvement. In conclusion, A/B testing is a vital tool in validating SEO hypotheses. By systematically experimenting and analyzing data, you can optimize your strategies, mitigate risks, and ultimately enhance your site's performance on search engines. So, embrace the power of A/B testing and watch your SEO efforts thrive.